Good morning, YouTube friends and fans. Just want to welcome you back. Going to do a little review on the rent-a-car I got in between getting the Hyundai Ioniq fixed. So stick around. We'll go over what I like and don't like. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Alright, so I'm going to step away so you can really see the car as I talk. I don't really care for the styling. It looks like it's made to be a bigger car. I don't care for the oversized lights on the front. And this car is such a basic car that it doesn't even have the fog lights, doesn't have heated seats. So anyhow, let me take you inside, show you how much room there is, and we'll talk a little more here. Climb in the back seat, that's where I always start. And one thing I found out, this car doesn't like to unlock itself. You can see this is a pretty basic car. Only auto down on the window. That really sucks. So I'll unlock this back seat. I haven't sat back here before. Seems like quite a bit of space. And there definitely is. That seat's all the way back. It's not leaning back or anything, but so yeah, I can't complain about that. One thing just another complaint. The fan control there. If you were wearing gloves like I am in the wintertime, it's kind of tough to get a hold of. Everything is manual, which that's not a bad issue to have. But being this is just a gas car, not a hybrid, it takes a long time to warm up. You can't start it and expect it to get warm. I did that the other day. How cold was it? It was down in the 20s, and it was pretty rough. So we're here. There's what your steering column looks like. See the
little kids, you don't take anything with anything peanut to it.
The old dash lighting up. Kind of a generic radio setup. Do have the cruise control on this side, and you've got phone volume control over here. I believe that's more radio controls. I've only had this 3 days, so it's hard to figure out what we do and don't really have yet. But one thing I can tell you, the vent I had to turn up because there is no side vents for cleaning the windows when they fog. So that was another downside to all this. I've yet to figure out exactly what happens here. The screen has always been kind of gray. I don't know if that's a setting or what that is, but I have recognized that that's not so great. And of course, you got other settings you can go through here, you know, but you can figure all that on your own. So anyhow, this car does have an overdrive. It's got a little button here on the side of the shifter you can hit, and it becomes overdrive. Wanted to point out something here. You see the cutout on the dash, and you notice this is rounded up here too. This is a foreign car, so they drive on the other side of the road. It allows the manufacturer to make a quick switch between sides. As you can see how far that's recessed in, it's just barely got enough room for your fingers to get in there. So it's nice that you're not going to hit it, but it doesn't really function that great. And back to the old door lock over here. I'm not sure what the deal is with it. Sometime during the ride it locks and it doesn't unlock. I'm not sure if that's a setting somewhere or what the deal is. So But as far as, you know, you got cup holders, things that are nice, but it feels tight, it feels cramped. I mean, you look down my sides here, I'm pretty much against the car. And I probably got plenty of headroom, but being only 6 foot tall, it's a little tight if you were any bigger. But you saw there's room in the back as well. Well, let me see if I can figure out how to get the trunk open. I think there's a button here on the keychain. Let's see if it'll pop. Well, take it off and do it this way. There it goes. Let's go check the trunk out. Cup holder in the door. That's nice. But again, no heated seats. Pretty standard. It's got power slots where they need to be. Nice deep trunk. Be a little tough to get some things in and out of it. So, you know, it's not a hatchback like I'm used to on the hybrid. And the ride, you can tell it's a small car with not much money put into it. Got sort of close, sort of behind a semi yesterday on the way home, and wow, did this car shake. So didn't like that at all. My guess is this car has very little aerodynamics to it. So, you know, as far as the front, it's got pretty nice styling. It's just them headlights are way too big for the car. All right, we should have the hybrid back here in about half hour. I'm gonna go pick it up now, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you around. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So we got the car back from the repair shop. Got rid of the big blemish there in the front. So everything's life's back to normal.